Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to recover Wattpad account if you forgot your password. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to Wattpad application in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here in Wattpad, click sign in button. So okay guys, if you forgot your password, you'll have to do is click forgot password. And the pop-up will show and reset password. Type your username or email below and will send you instruction on how to reset it. So okay guys, I used to reset my password or recover my password via email. And okay guys, after you type your email here, you'll have to do is click send instruction. Okay guys, another pop-up, email send. Password reset instruction have been sent to your email. So okay guys, after that, click OK. And okay guys, now we have go to your Gmail or email you use to recover your password. Okay guys, here in your Gmail or email, you can see the password reset request. So, okay, click this. This request is from WhatsApp support. And okay guys, after you open this email, you can see the reset my password button. You all have to do is click reset my password button. And okay guys, after that, we need to create the new password and confirm new passwords. Okay guys, after you enter the new password and confirm new passwords, okay, after you enter this, click reset password button. And okay guys, we need to verify your emails. Okay, in order to ensure continue access to your account, please check that the email below is correct and that you have access to it. So okay, if the email address is correct, so select this is my current email. So okay, click this button. So okay, after that, click confirm button. And okay guys, after that, please check your email to complete this sign up process. Okay, go back to your email again, click this is me, and after that, you need to log in the new password to your Wattpad account. Okay, and okay guys, after you enter the username and the new password, okay, click start reading. And okay guys, we have successfully recovered your password in your Wattpad account. So okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.